Okay, it looks like we're live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano. Alright, so before we get started, I would like to acknowledge another pull request by Mo. Right here. So yeah, clean some things up, added some comments, things like that. Right there. So yes, thank you for that. I'd like to acknowledge pull requests. Alright, so today, hopefully, finally going to get the syntax file working. So yeah, yesterday we were working on that. And let's see if I can find the function that we were working on. Yeah, so we have read file the string, and then we have parse syntax file. So this is what we're working on. And I did get it actually working, so I can show it if I end here, not here. Then I exit down here, then I just need to print out everything. Yeah, just print the types. That's really what we're having an issue with. Yeah, current type. And there we go. Oops, wait. Alright, we do have a warning, but that's just because we haven't used it yet. Let's run this, and there we go. All the types are correct. Yeah, I just had to do like a -1 kind of thing. I can show that right up here. Right here. Yeah, just to get it proper. Yeah, it was like we were really close yesterday, but I did have to go. Okay, so now we have the custom RGB. So what are we doing now? So we're setting up the color. Then we need to return the color. So we need like an array of them. Array of colors. And it's gonna be the size of the number of dots, right? Yeah, because we're gonna have 3 colors for it. In this case, with this syntax file. Right here. So, let's make an array of these colors. So, custom color, array. And this is the result array. Color array, maybe it could be called. Color array. And we set it to null by default, and then we will initialize it in here. So just color array equals size of custom color times num. I guess we don't have the num dots, so wait. Oh yeah, we have that up here, so we can initialize it right up here actually. Alright, I'm gonna also refactor this once it's working because it's a bit messy. Yeah, we don't have to initialize it. No, we can just do this right here. Times num of dots. Bet. Alright, so we have that. Then at the end of this iteration here, we need to append the proper thing. So, in here, we can also set the current color dot. I guess we have that here. I could just move it into this function though. It would set it multiple times, but that doesn't really matter. It's gonna be the same each time, you know? So yeah, this one's 1. Yo, what's up? How are you doing? Okay, I guess we have to do that anyway, so we have to allocate it here. So that's all good. Oh yeah, and then at the end we can just need to append to the color array. So actually let me make a size for it so we can treat it like a stack, right? Array size equals 0, and we'll just push on to it. Yeah, so I'll get rid of that because we don't need to print anything right now. So yeah, just right here, we'll do color array. And this loop should that iterates over the line size. So what I want. I'm trying to think where I want to append it. Right, I guess it's right here then. So color array array size plus equals color. And that should be the color that we have here. Yeah, so we'll just put it there. And I think that should work. So then we have the custom ID. That'll work fine. The current type. And then I just want to I want to return the color right here, first of all. And I want to make sure that compiles before I do anything else. And this needs to return the size actually. So yeah, maybe I don't want to do it like that because we don't have the size in this case. So maybe I want to return the size and instead pass the array. I think that'd probably be better. But let me see if this compiles. It doesn't actually compile. So yeah, let's do that. Let's adjust the function. So instead of this, go ahead and do that. We'll pass the size. No, we'll return the size. So this will return the size to you. And yeah, we'll just pass in here color array. So color, custom color array, custom color array. There we go. So that's what we'll pass, and then we'll allocate it. So it'll be allocated here, and that's totally fine. I mean, let's see, and let's see what we call this function. So parse syntax file. So yeah, we need to now pass the color array. So let's do color, custom color. I keep forgetting. Custom color array equals no. We won't initialize it here, and we should be able to pass it in. That'll work, and then we need the size of it. So size the color array size equals that. And then I want to iterate over everything. Color array size, whoops. And I just want to print out some information back. So if I actually open up the colors file, I can see these are the fields that we need to print. So we'll print the slot and the R and the G and B, because those are the important ones. So this will be slot, is that. Is this an int actually, right? Yeah. Alright, and then RGB is also integers, so RGB. So this is color array I dot slot, custom slot. Okay, I probably should have made a variable for this, but it's fine because we're going to get rid of it immediately after. So array I custom G. Alright, so that should print it all out. Let's see if this compiles. Int. I seem to have messed something up, so let's see. Let me do this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I miss a comma? Oh shoot, I missed a comma right there. Okay. Return custom color. Yeah, alright, so we can't return color right now. We need to return array size. Array size, there we go. Okay, cd grid, and let's see what happens. So I want to actually end in up here. Then, yeah, then just exit the so we can see what it outputs. Whoops, my bad. It's ending in without an underscore. Let's see what happens. So, segfault. Alright, so it did not work. Let's see where it didn't work. Perhaps we could print a couple of things. Let me move this over. Okay. I'm trying to print here, and we can see if this is where it is failing. So, yeah, we just want to print the array size. Or if it is failing in the actual file there, we can find it in the function. Alright, so it seems to be in the function. So something like this, perhaps. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Some of this loop isn't right, because really we want to loop over a different plane. How many times do we loop it here? Let me. Okay. 0, 1, 2. Wait, why did it do that? Oh, because I didn't end the win. Yeah. I'll move this up here. Okay. So, yeah, that is the right number. So that's fine. Alright, let me print here. And see if we make it there. Is that could be it could be let's see. And okay. So we do the term from here. Not because we're passing a null array here. Do that. Yeah. Okay, so that was the issue. Alright. Okay. Maybe I'll like 1 and then free it up here, I guess. No, it's fine. You see 0. Okay, so that worked. Printed out kind of weird because I forgot the new one. But yeah, now we can see what it actually read from the file. And it does not look right. So, we have this 3 up here. Okay. Yeah. It is not right. 45. Okay, so I messed something up bad. Alright, let me try to put it in here. place, well, I can't really do it. Well, yeah, I can do place I with, with this. Okay, array size -1. There we go, like that. Then I can bring out in there. Yeah. So it didn't really work in there either. Because these are not right values. Why is that? Let's see that syntax. So here's the file. So I seem to be messing up. Let me instead of doing this, let me just print the color. It's just color. So yeah, let's strip off this part. So maybe there is a problem in one of the functions that I had. It's not two. Yeah, so the first and last one are correct. The second one is not. So why is that? Where's one? 1, 2, and 3. That is strange. Let's print F. Yes, I need new print. Where's one? I'll do that. Whoops. I'll do that 3, 2. 1, 2, and 3. You can see what it prints out here. So it should print here. It doesn't print anything for these. Oh shoot, it prints int float double. Why does that happen? Shoot. That is not good. Because the type is correct. What if I print with 0? What is that? It's not. What? How's the type T though? Because the types were correct. Hang on. I think I broke something. It just breaks on this one. Float double. Yeah, so it was reading these instead of these. So something got iterated or something just on this one. Okay, word 0. Because word 0 should be that. Well, unless the size is 0. This is concerning. Let's see. Let me try to print just the single character. 0, 0. I seem to have made, it's not data, made a mistake somewhere. Yeah, it doesn't print anything. But then the type, current type is that. Oh shoot, does this view to int function? Well, that shouldn't. Yeah, that shouldn't do that. What if I print out the current type? How is it that? What? So now it's broken. Okay. So I broke something in this management because type W 0. What? Oh yeah, because it prints the next one. Current type float. What? Oh no, current type is not. And then that's the next argument. Okay. It was just working. Like literally when I started the stream, I printed them all out and they were working. So I messed something up somewhere. What did I do though? I appended the color array. Shoot, do I have array size somewhere else? Not in here. That's not Let me look at the previous cube. Well, I can just do it. And I can see, so yeah, I modified the function when it returns. Have that. And we're just printing stuff. That's it. What the heck? So what if I what if I don't run, what if I print current type? well, no, the print type's not going to change, so let me get rid of some of this stuff. Alright, and let me, alright, let me try to print the current type once again. Right there. Here we go. Yeah, so it's not right. It was literally working at the start, so unless did I change something in the file? No. Okay, no. So yeah. That and initializing the array. That's it. I don't know why that would mess it up. I can comment this out, but that's not it. So why does that happen? What happened to that one? Let me print each of the things in the array. Side and then print f, print b. Hello, how are you doing? Where's I? Where's J? Alright, print that out and see what they all are. Oops. It's view print. I would get it backwards. And let's see, so that is info double char. Oh shoot, I forgot the new one. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, here's what we have. For this one, why did this happen? It corrupted the rest of it? Why? I guess it's nothing. If I didn't change anything, it was working at the start. I showed that it was working. What the heck happened? Yeah, because these are the only differences. What the heck? Okay, well, I need to figure out why that happened, so... But only on that one, so maybe I need to rewrite the syntax file? So let me see, so that all looks right. That shouldn't be an issue, actually. Okay. So, why would this happen? Because all the rest are working. It's just on this one. It is not. And I have no idea why. Okay. Let's see if we can go back and figure out where it starts. What if we try to print... see, try to print it here. That's not exactly. Lines. Let me try to print lines I. Hello, Mo. How you doing? All right. It just prints nothing now. Just got on. Welcome. What the heck? How did this happen? What's going on? Yeah, rush to the stream. So I am working on the syntax config file, and it was literally working at the start of the stream. I didn't change anything, and then it stopped working. So I'm trying to figure out why. It's just in this one part. The second line is not working. And now this one's not working either. What? Oh no, that is. Well, no, hang on. That's not. Yeah, there's a lot of problems, and I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to print out this file. Like, read it. And this second line is not working. Yeah, I can do that. But I can really, like, I can just print it out like this right now. Because, it's not during runtime, so I can just use printf for this case. Because I just exit. So I don't need to use that. Something to do with the config file? I don't know what you mean. Two. Okay, so that doesn't work. But printing it breaks stuff? Add anything new? No, I did not. Not yet. Okay. So, what is this? That's be +1 though, actually, right? And that did not fix it, but I think it does, because the number of dots is 1 less. Slot 0 being written 5 times, because it's in a loop. Oh, well, slot is not actually right. But yeah, I'm printing it twice, because I'm printing it once in the function and once out of the function to return value. That's why it's printed so many times. But the 0 is not the right value. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, it's not supposed to be slot 0. It just is because the line is corrupted. That is why. Yeah. It's supposed to be 1. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the deal is with that. Trying to figure out where it breaks. Let me remove the syntax file and then copy and paste it from here. Again. Then okay, so it doesn't work. Get rid of I can still use that. Well no, because it reads the file properly. Like it reads yeah, I can print out the whole file. Up here. It just on the second line for some reason it's not reading the first part of it. Yeah, but it reads it here. It exists in there. I can even print the view, which is what I usually use for that. So view on. Yeah, so it's read properly. It's just somewhere in the parsing it got broken from something. What is the number of dots? There we go. 3. So that 3. That's actually gonna be right. So we don't need the +1. +1. Okay. Size line size. So did I miss? Like I don't know if it's a variable name thing or something. The issue is that it doesn't parse it properly. It reads the file, but then somewhere in the parsing it got messed up. You can see, well here, I need to print it out again. When I print the lines, it's not print the proper thing. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where. So it's somewhere, what's probably, let's see, it could be up here. I'm gonna print the current one. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do that once, like, that make it easier to see, but that's not, like, right now, I need to figure out why it's doing that. I'm not worried about how it looks printing it out. Yeah, so it's not here, because it reads that properly there. Didn't mean to do that, actually. Alright, where is this printing out, actually? Let me add that. Okay, yeah, so this is where it breaks. Lines I, broken on the second one. Because that one's right. This one's right. It's just the second one is not. So, somewhere, that you overwrote it or something. Why? It's in my size. Let me add I there. And I can see what that iteration is. Yeah. Okay, so that is, it broke here. If I iterate over it up here, okay, and I print it here as well. Okay, so it works there. What the heck? Somewhere here actually messed it up. Do I iterate something here or something? What? What is this working with? Hang on. Yeah. What? I don't call. Hang on. What is that? What? So, here I print it out. And there I print it again, and it's not sure. In between these two. It's not be allocated properly. That's 3 of those. That should be fine. No, I can run it in the GDB. I'll probably do that. It's weird that it happens there, though. Because you can clearly see, print it out here, and it's fine. Right here, it's not. It doesn't exist anymore. Just on the second. And it's the same everything. Oh, yeah, I'll try it. It works since I'm not initializing the TUI, so I can actually use GDB for this. I didn't want to break main actually, so I want to break in here. Actually, like right here. Oops. Okay, so what? Oh shoot, I meant to break in this other file, so let me do that actually. I'll just break when we come here. So I'll break break at that one. 72. Got was different file, whatever. Okay, so I'm tell what's going on here. Next, and then step. Okay, so now we can see that. I don't know why it's all like that, but okay. Next. Alright, so we're gonna go through a couple of iterations. Print. Okay. So next, yeah, next like. Okay, yeah, so it's not here. Okay, now we're here, and we're printing that out. So, print size. Print, what is that called? Print lines 1. Print lines 2. Okay, so those are all right here. Yeah, that printing stuff, and it actually messes up the 2. Alright, but that printing that one, and then you're printing the last one. Okay. Then, print lines. 0. Okay, so it's still right there. It's hard to tell where we're at in the 2 though. There we go. That actually helped. What? Alright, so we're printing that one. Oh, shoot. You know, it's something down here. Yeah, okay. I actually made it stupid. Yeah, I wasn't even thinking about that. Hang on. So do we modify it in here at all? Modify the lines? Because somewhere that is happening. Modify lines something, and then it breaks. I forgot to actually think about that. Yeah, so we can actually go through this like normal. It's not a very long line, so it's just gonna take a second. Okay, here. It's the same thing. Okay. Come. So let me print lines 1. And it's still correct. Let's just, well, let's actually display. And it still has that because it's the rest of the data, but we don't need to flip that. So, display lines 1. Yeah, let's do that. Display. Okay. Then we can see when it changes. That's pending keywords. Then we print all that. That's fine. And then it broke. Okay, so it broke here. Why did it? Why? Well, the length is still right, but the data got messed up. Can we do something with the data here? So lines 2 is still correct. Wait, why did that happen? Right here. On this line. So is there a conflicting name or something? It's color. I don't know. There's clearly got to be a reason for it. What if I really move this above here? Yeah, okay. No, actually here. Okay. So we know the line where it breaks. Yeah. Hmm. That was yeah, that was interesting. Line size. We don't modify line size. Why does it just break? Right here, array size plus plus, color array. Nothing else is called array size in here, so it's not that. Alright, and if I comment this down, then it works, right? Or it at least reads it back. Yeah. Okay, so that line breaks. Are they overlapping or something? Is it because of this, actually? Yeah, because we allocated 0. Whoops. Mm. What's the size of... I do that. I don't know what that means. And it still doesn't work. So it's not... Then if I get rid of this... Hang on, I just want to try this, because that's the correct size. ChatGPT? No. Not yet. Okay. I do that? I think I think it has to be a double for that to work. Right? What if I actually do that? Not to modify a few places, but I don't know if it's something like on the heat or overlapping somehow. Something like that. Like that. Whoops. I need to modify the perimeter. Yes. And not the return type. Seg fault. Okay. This is not. Hmm. Not something like that would work, but might be from the free actually. Hang on. Yeah. Let me change it back. Okay. I might have to change some stuff there. What if I do that? Can I free it in here though? Alright, that's a win. That's okay. Yeah, it's seg faults. Doesn't work. Yeah, I think I understand the colors pretty well. And I have a good idea of what I'm going to do with that. I assume you do. Yeah. They make sense, I think. I think so. Like how we do. This has to be the other way, right? Let's see. Okay, for some reason, appending it to that breaks the whole thing. It's so weird. What the heck? So, bring anything to the color array breaks that. So, what can I do about that? What do I do custom array? Like that. And do you play games? Not really. Ultra Kill. I've not heard of that game. Yeah, I don't really play many games. Of any kind, video games or otherwise. I used to play games, but just like Minecraft. What is Ultra Kill, by the way? Ultra Kill. Yeah, I haven't heard. Hmm. Okay, like an FPS game. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool, cool. Yeah, I haven't actually heard of this one. That is very cool. Lore is insane. I like lore games. Yeah, okay, this doesn't work. I can't just do that. So I'll just call it, okay, let's try that. No. Into that. And it doesn't break. So it's something to do with the heat. Dang. Okay. What if I return the pointer to it, right? So I don't do this. And color array equals that, and then this I just pass in the color array size. Is that gonna work? Can you see us go? All right. Yes, we'll do. Okay. And then we need to actually define it in the function. So view the string. Okay, yeah, all good, all good. Yeah, then I'll use this array size and set it at the end. So the color array side of array times minimum of dots. Try that, and then yeah, turn the color array and set color array size equal to array size. Okay, what does that look like? Then it works. Okay. That's very strange. So, yeah, I don't know why you did that, honestly. Current one is correct. Okay. And then, yeah, I think all this data is being printed out in here. So, flat 2, handled. Let me get rid of some of the print statements I have in here. I can keep. Okay, slot 4, 1, and 2. Those are the correct slots, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is reds for the keywords. That is correct. 1 is yellow, which is for the types, which is correct. And the 2 is blue, which is for the general words. So that actually worked out properly. Now we have the colors. Yeah, so I have no idea why that happened. I'll have to look into it. I have no idea what happened, actually. But, yeah, I should be able to do this now. So I'm going to take a quick break for about 3 minutes, and I will be right back, and then we'll actually implement the highlight. Okay, I am back. Yeah, so that was really weird how that happened. But I didn't forget to close the file or anything like that, so yeah. I don't know, somehow on the heap, they were overlapping or something. It was very strange. Okay, anyway, we can continue here. So we don't need this anymore. So what I want to do is we have the color structs, the custom color ones, and we can use those for this. So yeah, we basically need to call this custom yellow dot slot for each one in the array. So let's iterate over the array. Is this name color array size I++, and we basically want to init pair and then init n curses color like this. So custom yellow, we don't have that, but we want color array I.id. It's actually custom right. So well, it's custom. Let's see. Do we want to use the slot here? I'm trying to think. Where do we want to use that? We want to use the slot right here. So no. Color array I by slot custom slot. Color, yeah, basically just replacing this with this, and then custom R I custom G, and last custom B. Okay, and that should initialize all of them, so I can get rid of this, and that should initialize the colors accordingly. This variable custom yellow, yeah, I can get rid of these now because we these are just for testing purposes. Yeah. Make custom color has no member named ID. So it is custom ID. I can change that one, my bad. Okay, city build and let's run it. And did it it's not seem to have done anything, so I think I forgot something. Custom slot. Vim c.signals. So the keyboard should be very red. The types, they should be like that. I want to make the types like blue or something, so they're more clear. Or maybe even purple. How about purple? Because that'll be easy to tell. Yeah, so it did not work. Is a custom slot wrong? Custom slot. Somewhere I'm still printing these out actually. So sorry, 4, 1, and 2. Yeah, so those should be right. Shoot, but we don't say. Yeah, we have that custom ID, so that's fine. Yeah, I'm printing it out here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Now we're just gonna print those out. So let's quit there. Okay. Oh shoot, is color array size 0? It's not printing. Hang on, I might have messed something up. Okay. So it seems to be 0. But it wasn't it just color array size equals array size. Print that. Run that. 3. Okay, let's print color array size. Array size. Get that. 3. Okay, let's print it out here now as well. But it's not a folder, so we don't have to do that. 0. Okay. What? Syntax file. We set it to okay, so it's not updating for some reason. Okay. Our second one, it stays as 1, right? Yeah, okay. Why does that happen? Should be setting it to that at the end. So, and it does, we printed it out. Yeah, and if I print that out again, in here, print before that, so it's like called before and everything. Just doesn't modify it. Yeah, 3 and then 0. Hmm. I don't know why that would happen. I'm going to return a struct, right? Which has the pointer to that. Excuse. Okay, let's define that struct. So then we don't have to pass pointers and all that stuff. We can just return the struct. Exactly. This is the color array. It has a custom color array. And it also has a size key array size. That's it. That's what we're going to return. So we'll all define that actually in here, and even in the colors.h. Okay. Yeah, so we'll return a color array. Array equals that. Array equals that, and then dot array size equals array size. That's what we'll return from there. Shoot. And then we'll get rid of it. So we'll return a color array. And we don't need this. Okay. And then a color array equals no. Color array equals that. Get rid of this. Array dot. Array dot. Just array size actually. Actually, color array dot array. Let's replace all of it. Color array. Color array. Dot array. There we go. Let's see what happens. Some issues. Color array still cannot be used. Oh. Syntax file. Where is control region option? Right, I'm missing it. Color array. Oh shoot, but we don't we don't have color array here. We need to include that. Oh, we have color signage. Wait. It's actually fine. Alright, let's go. I forget a semicolon. Let's see. Maybe it doesn't like that. Color array. Array equals array equals color array. Array size equals array size. And there we go. Return that. Okay. Whoops. Set but not used. Okay. Oh shoot. I did forget something in here. Okay, let's see. There we go. That is better. That is better. So it actually works now. And it should emit it properly. Let's see if the colors are correct. Okay. That looks right. Yes. So now you can it looks pretty ugly. But you can initialize it with any RGB values you want. So it's pretty cool. So say we want something that's a little bit less, right? 200 and maybe 10 here. I don't know. Just messing around. And then types, you want more yellow, so we'll do that. Let's see, that yellow is probably fine actually, and then this maybe 200 with 10 on the red, so a little purple. Okay, let's try something like that. It's pretty simple. Yeah, okay, that's actually still 2. I think the red is probably fine, but it's a little too blue. So Yeah, we don't actually have to recompile it. So let's maybe turn this down. 150. 10 and 15 in there. Right, now it's kind of dark though. Hard to see. So make it 100 on it. How's that? Pretty purple. That's probably fine. Yeah, it doesn't matter too much. And recognize that as a keyword. Let's see, register is a keyword. Only 2 values. Then it would fail. Because you need all 3. Say fault, probably. Well, no, it would just give, well, it might not, it might say fault. But yeah, if you do it improperly, it's gonna break. I can add warning messages as well. It didn't say fault, but it did not work. Because basically what it did is it took the return as an RGB value. And it broke everything. But yeah, you have to provide that. You did good. And you pass all the keywords in there. So it works. Okay. So now, alright. Yeah, at least it didn't say fault. If you provide, you can make it say fault. Probably. I need to add some checks. Let me see here. So what I would like to do now is, I don't necessarily want to do this right here, but I would like to basically take the current open file name, strip off the beginning of it up to the first dot, and then use whatever's after that. So say it's a .c file, or whatever, and use that as the syntax file. Instead of, passing it like this directly. But also use the custom config selected or that. So let me actually go down by where the config is and do all this. So where do we load the config right here? Yes, I'll do it probably even after that. Yeah, I need to free the array here actually as well. Free the color array after it's done. Okay. Color array dot array. So, yes, we do this here, but I need to take something. So, default config file. So yeah, I'll probably add this just into the same place. Because here we have the default config file name. We set the, well, I guess that's setting the config file name, so I can't use that directly. I need the default one. Let's see, where's the home environment? Yes, we need that. So, let's set that in here. So this will be the syntax file name. Syntax file. Yeah, we'll define that. Let's define that up here, actually. Yeah, and then we will do a similar thing. Not exactly the same. But basically we need the current, let's see, we have the buffer, right? And the file name. So the buffer has, what is the buffer? Yeah, file name. So buffer file name, we need to use that. So let me sort of separate this. We can set file name. So that is what we need to strip off. So we want to basically just strip off dot, something like that. I'll make that function like that. And that is going to be, we're going to return a string from that. So see, this is the file. What's it called? Basically the language, right? And then we're going to free language at the end because it's going to be allocated. And then we want to basically, let's print f onto the syntax. So we want that, which will be the configure with the language dot syntax. There we go, and that's what we'll be expecting. And if it's not found, then we'll just not configure and language. Okay. We need to actually allocate the syntax file name, so how am I going to do that? Times Sterling plus size of syntax. Let's see this. Maybe I'll use size of so it's more clear. Size of syntax plus one for no term. Well, I guess that will include no term character, so we're all good. Okay, so that's going to be the size of it, yeah? Then we'll use that down here. If syntax file name does not equal null, okay, so we'll call that there. And then we want to also do this. There we go. All right. Okay, syntax file name. Okay, so we need to make this function actually. So strip off dot. I'll probably just make that in s.c. Kind of makes sense to go in here. I'll make a new function for all string operations because I have a few of those. Switch from char star strip off dot. Then for well, probably want the string size as well. Stir size. There we go. 0 I is less than stir size. Plus, and then if stir I, I'll actually make a result. Let's see. How do I want to do that? Yeah. Stir I equals a dot. Then we'll we're gonna take stir size character times stir size minus I. So that'll be the size of it, right? And then we'll string copy stir plus I to result size minus I, and there we go. Okay. And then we want to actually set at the end, well, let's do the plus one, and we should get the null termination character, right? And return. And if it's null, then yeah, we'll have null. So if language equals null, then crash. Do we need to crash? Really, that just means it had that, but I'll just crash for now. Valid. Okay, let's try that. Let's see, language. Spell it wrong. Language. Oops. Language. Okay, I spelled it wrong twice. Config. What? Okay, so that didn't quite work. Oh shoot, I did it. I wanted result into stroke. That's what I meant. .txt, .syntax. Okay, yeah. So that's the .txt file. We need actually plus one. Yeah, because otherwise we die. And there we go. txt.syntax. So we don't have that color file. We need to actually take. So let me actually take this C one. C.syntax into Dano. And actually I want /syntax, but I'm not going to write that for you. Okay, we'll do that. And then run that. And actually let's open test.c. And there we go. It actually loaded the content file off the system. That's pretty cool. Yeah, but if I try to open something else, it crashes. So I don't really want to do that. I just want to then not load the content. So if language equals null, let's see if it does not equal null, then we'll do this stuff. And the free as well. Okay. Then, let's see if we run it. So, okay, it's still trying to load that. Okay, the syntax finally exists. Yeah, but we don't want to actually crash in there when we try to read it. So that is an issue. So, Menami just gave a shout out. Well, thank you, Menami. I don't think you're watching because I believe you're streaming. But yes, very cool. I just saw that. Just popped up. This didn't give a notification. Whatever. Okay. So I don't want to do this. If it equals null, then I'll just return 0. Okay, and then if length equals 0, we're trying to do that. If size equals 0, then just return. Color array. Hey yo, Ron now, how are you doing? What's up? Color array. 0 actually. Yeah, so if it's 0, then we'll do that. And here, if color array is equal, then we'll do all this stuff. Otherwise, we will not load everything. Okay. Okay, and it did not load, but then if I try to open a c.c file, and it does load the content. Okay, there we go. Now we have syntax highlight. That's pretty cool. Oh, there might be some issues with it, but let me make one. Let me make maybe a better one. Very far away from dog fooding it. I do not know what that means. Awesome. Okay, so we have a syntax file. Let me modify it. So I want all the C keywords. Which I actually, well, yeah. Let me see. I think I actually modify this. How it works, because right now you can't have new lines, and that's not exactly ideal. I like to be able to have new lines. If I do that, it's gonna break. It's actually, actually worked. Oh yeah, but do not highlight the things properly. Oh, using your yeah, pretty soon. I'm pretty close. I was about to do it the other day actually, but then I ran into a pretty severe memory leak. And then I fixed the issue. So there's not that issue anymore, but it's kind of slow with large files. So I'm working on that. Not right now. I'm not working on it, but sort of off the stream, I've been working on it, trying to improve that. Because that's really the only thing that's holding it back right now. Is it gets kind of slow because we're copying a lot of things. So I have ideas on how to fix it. Once I fix that, I'll probably switch over to an entire. But yeah, I've not heard that term before. That is an interesting term. So we need to be able to have new lines. So I need to strip to the left, right? That's basically what I want to do. Yeah, trim left. That's what I meant to say. So I think that's in for each word. Here we have the subwords. So we'll do this. It's correct. Yeah. And then we need to how do we do this? Yeah, let's do right here. Trim left. Which I think is view trim left. That's what I want to use. View trim left. Okay. That's where they're appended. So let me see how that works. Let's see. Okay, didn't actually recognize return. So I think I can put them all on a new one, like this, if I wanted to. Then save it, and it should still work. Turn or things like that. Okay, so now I can take all of the C keywords and then put them in there. C keywords. Let's see, all of them. So a good list that I can just copy. That's kind of okay. Let's see. Stems from a 70s TV advertisement for the dog food Alpo, where they pointed out that they fed Alpo to their own dogs. Ooh, that is interesting. That's funny how terms just comes from things like that, like advertisements, things like that. Mm, there we go. That all. I think that is it. Okay. So that's what I want. I can't be like that exactly. So how do I want to? Actually, replace tab. I guess I can replace tab. Okay. Well, actually, can I do? Actually, no, that's not working. Tab characters are always very strange. Some of these are types that we're seeing in the type here. Myself manager challenged workers of the company with an email titled "Eating Our Own Dog Food." It's meant to increase the internal usage of the company's product. Mmm, really? Wait, did you get in trouble for not using Microsoft products or something like that? Is that something that they do? Or it's just like, you're better off if you try to. I don't want all these tabs. There we go. I can't do that. Alright. There we go. Oh, that does work. I don't want them. Replace it with nothing. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. I see. So control B. And then do that. Count. There we go. Perfect. Count. Comments. So really want it all on a new line like that, but that's okay. So there's a double. One. Is enum like a type? I don't know how you would call it. For sign void do if static long. Size of float and short. Okay. Those will go in the types. Enum is a struct more than type. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Got an ad before entering. The Microsoft Teams sounds got panicked. Middle of the night. Not the middle of the night for me. Well, welcome. Welcome. Welcome, Buford. How you doing? Okay. We need to end it with a dot. Okay. So that should be all of them. I did it right. Yeah, let me open actually like a in here. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look very good, but it does work. It does work indeed. Okay. Yeah, now it can be custom. Custom syntax highlight. So what is some good RGB color picker? Tree sitter syntax. Yeah, but that's kind of like down the road, you know? Because that I kind of want it more like what's the word exactly? Basically I want to get more things figured out before I go into that, because that it kind of relies on that. Where then if you want to change something, it gets more difficult. Kind of hard to explain what I mean exactly, but yes, eventually. Yeah, so I want like a blue, something like that. For for the words, 0, 1, 255. Okay, and then let's see the types I like more yellow. 247, 255, 0. Okay. And then this last one. Keywords. Let's see. Not really green. Do I want it more red? Parse Vim's color snippets. You mean for the highlighting? Look at Vim. So I mean, like take these colors. I'll probably not these ones because this isn't regular Vim. I have an alias though. I need to turn that off to use it. Mm. You know. I think I go. Yeah. Okay. I broke something. Did I remove a comma? I don't know what happened. I say this because all special keywords in every language is available there. You screen out the colors while interpreting. So I'm not sure what you mean. You mean for this highlighting or for what? Like I don't know exactly how. Where is it broken? I really need airs. I don't have them. Oh shoot, because I need ACS. There we go. Color highlighting for oh okay. I see. Okay. So where are those? Syntax. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see. This word. I'm gonna try like the yellow. It's not too bad. It's kind of neon. Where are they stored? Okay, user share. All right, thank you. I found it. Yes. Okay. Let's see. What is one? Like, okay. All right. What the? Not as extensive as this. But I need like the keywords. And then just have colors in here. Mm. Let's see. K2 leap follow. Thank you. Where? Let's see. Does it not have? Never really looked at a Vim file. Can I open this? Okay, more keyword. Yeah, yeah, but like the colors. Mm. Here's the. So, those are some of the keywords. Types. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that was. Is this all of the keywords in? Okay. Yeah, but where is like the color? Or is it something built into it? Or I can try to take that. Let's make a. Problem is it moves it from that. So it needs to be like M. Okay. Grab the whole thing. And then I can. So like, okay. Here we go. Okay. So, then I can group it together. I have to sort it out, but basically then replace spaces, columns. Okay, and then yeah, some of it are more types, right? So keyword. Yeah, just use whatever. There you go. These are keywords, right? As well. Mm, virtual, yep. Do value. Alright, true false. That's like more of a type. I need to replace new one. Something more. A right, no, I'm not gonna do that. Actually, that's gonna be annoying. I said at the end. Okay, true false. Right. So these are types. Array. How is that used? I don't really use okay. I think these are the types. Format 4 doesn't seem like a type. I'll leave that though. Okay, so these will be the types. It's not what I want to do. Okay, just go like that. Rid of the doubles. And in this, And here as well. Word. There you go. Alright, let's see if that works. So pretty dark. Let's see, we have, what are some of these? So we have as a sort class. Okay, they do highlight properly. See, yeah, it's kind of ugly colors. Not sure what colors you would use though. So I need to look, probably look at like what Vim uses for certain things. See, guys, colors. So not just like the RGB values. Let me hear about that. The colors. It doesn't look like it. This perhaps have the colors. Yeah, 8 colors. So we're limited to 8. Let's very light mode. Is there this? Yeah. I don't have like comment support and stuff yet. It's just for those things. But yeah, we'll work on that later. Mm, okay. So let me look at this. Let's have like, okay. What if I use these things? Okay, we don't have function stuff. Oh, put the colors in there. Okay. Okay, thank you. All right, let's see. So here's a script for you that catches keywords. Okay. Okay. That's a lot of stuff. I don't know what the lowercase ones. Yes, that is really helpful. Do, let's look at go. Is there go? Seems to be. Okay. Yeah, that is extremely helpful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I need to get better at that stuff. Okay. So what about shoot? I didn't have the whole thing. I see. That, okay. That's what it looks like. Alright, for the types. Constant, we don't have those support yet. Identifier. Statement. Okay, statement, that's just white, right? So I can use that. For types. Welcome back. How are you doing? 65 and 0. Okay. And then, yeah, wait, so that was just white, right? That's what FF had. White sermon is white. Yeah, I don't I don't want to use white. Okay. Just some else. Let's see, it is BI. How do you do that? Um, yeah, I don't know if you can do that. Yeah, I have an alias for it. I don't want to change it. So, um, statement. Statement is I don't really want it to work. Alright, how about in a different um okay, statement. This. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. This keyword. I think something is broken. Excuse me. Okay, that was a bug. I need to look into. Yeah, okay, that was good. I was pressing backspace on the first line and it broke. Okay, the last one. Mm, it's kind of blind counter. Yeah, I can do that. I just have not done that. Right now it's just connected to whatever the type is. Why not use standard colors of the term? What do you mean? Make it all one color. Yeah, yeah. Well, I know how to separate. I know what's going on there. I just have not done it. Yeah, what do you mean the standard colors of the term? I don't know. Bash colors 36. I do not know what that is. Set of built-in colors. Yeah, I didn't know. How do you find them? Like, I don't know how that works. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, those are probably the same as the built-in colors here, right? Sure. Same as the Incurse's default colors, right? Yes. Yeah, but why would I use those when I could use RGB colors? Like custom ones. Well, yeah, yeah. That's why you can make your own config file if you have a white terminal, and you can change it however you want. You know, because that's the point of like a custom file. So you can make it whatever you want. You change it however to whatever colors. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but they can also theme however they wish, like this, right? Well, by default, it uses the incurses ones, the built-in ones. But then if you load a config file, it uses the custom ones. Yeah, well, you can do that here too. Like, just don't load a config file. Yeah, there is. It already is there. That's what I'm saying. With the built-in anchors. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mhm. Oops, that's the wrong one. Great. That's pretty good. I'll probably use some different ones later. Right. Works for me, yeah. I would say no, but you do you. Mm-hmm. Size 2, I think I had that. There we go. Yeah, I don't really like that blue though. I'd like to change that. Nice. That. That's all right. Everything should be on deeper shades of color. What do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna work on that code now. It's a bit of a problematic. We can make this. So, instead of red being bright, it should be red but darker, while still containing its semi-bright X aspect. I don't know. You mean so like choose a different shade of red? Is that what you're saying? one here. So, yeah, we can't read it. We need to do that. Okay, then we need to check in here if so if words size is less than, let's see, so we can have at least it's 3, it's 4. Let's say 4. Then let's see. Push-ups. Okay, I'll do that. First, I'll look at this. Six. Okay. Well, that's pretty close to the shade of red that I already have. So, you know, pretty close. I'm not too worried about it though, because you can change it however you want. So, push-ups. Okay, done. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna fix this now. So, no, this is color. 0. Okay, so that's the only thing I'm worried about now. For that, let me change how it's loaded though. So, let's see. Actually, in here, if we don't provide the keywords, then I would like to use the default keywords. I am in college right now. I'm a freshman. So that's like the first year. Okay. Same, nice. Okay. That doesn't work. Then I want to use the default keyword. So if it's greater than 4, then do that. If it's less than 4, then I want to set yeah, so that'll automatically skip over if it's less than that. What are you setting? Software development. Yeah, I want to set the keywords to be the default one. So actually I want to append to that. Let me actually do it like this. Otherwise, strategy among your classmates. Why? Yeah, a lot of them are more new. I do have some that are have been doing it for around the same amount of time I have. Oops, I don't want to type keywords. I want to allocate it, but this time I want to do times num keywords. Yeah, num keywords. This one as well. How long have you been programming? Like 6 years. Name types. Okay, and then we also want to set. Oops. Name copy. Into keywords. Keywords old. Size of char star times non-keywords. I think that will be the same thing but for non-types. Since 2019, nice. Dang, that was a while ago, right? Types. Okay, so you don't provide it, then it should do that. I think that'll work. Okay, it will compile. Okay, it does compile. So we have this right now. But if I modify the syntax file, let's see. So we'll modify c.syntax. Probably mean c.syntax to c.syntax. And then copy and paste it. I should have done that. C to c.syntax. What was your first programming language? Okay. Actually broke it. Alright. So it did not work. What requires it to be one? Oh shoot, you know what? I returned 0 actually, don't I? So I don't want that. If it's less than 3, I need to wait, hang on. Let me think. Python. Okay, nice. 2, 3. So we need to have at least 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So length needs to be 4. It's greater than 4. Yeah, then we'll do this. That's right. C for you. Well actually, the first one I programmed in was C#. With like Unity, a game engine and stuff. Yeah. But I watched a lot of YouTube videos, Java for Minecraft modding before I actually started with that. So it's C# really. I had not started C. Like I started using C a couple months ago, around the same time I started streaming. So I'm pretty new to C. What is this break? Cap? What is cap? Oh shoot, because these need to be dots. Yeah. Still doesn't work. Coding as if it's your first language. Why? What do you mean? Yeah, no, I know what cap is. I'm saying, what do you mean it's cap? Like, that's what I'm saying. All right, so why does it fail? Maybe I could even really reload it now in an inconvenient place. So that one was fine. So it is the config file. I don't know why it would prevent it from loading though, unless it's stuck in some sort of loop or something. Let's see. So we do that. So that's, well, I'm not lying. That is actually how long I've been doing it. So it was let's see, when did I start streaming? That was, all right. I do have to go in a few minutes. Okay. So I'll try to get this ready quickly. But yeah. So let's see. When did I start? It was, yeah. So I started programming. Actually, I can look at my GitHub. You can actually see a lot of interesting stuff in my GitHub. So yeah, I was never really consistent. So you can see here, yeah, it was the end of August when I started streaming, somewhere around like this one, I think. But yeah, I started using C. I think this was, I mean, I used it before, but I didn't learn it. Like, I didn't use it very much at all. Like, I looked into it a few times and then got scared. Yeah, I was doing some NumPy stuff there. And then, yeah, so I think I started streaming actually September 1st. Yeah, and then you can see I was never actually active on GitHub until I started streaming, and then yeah, now I almost every day. Yeah. Yeah. It was interesting. But yes, that was around the same time. So in like September. The end of August, really. That's when I started with C. Okay, so why does this... I need to find out why this fits, but I have to go. So... Epic, yes. I put 1 in. Then, how's it gonna read that? Yeah, okay, so... Doesn't look... Does it need to be like that? Alright, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to figure it out right now. So I... Alright, well, it doesn't matter. I didn't break anything. I do have to go. So let me, let's see. Middle of... What is it exactly that I'm doing? I don't... How do you say it? Expanding the text. Basically is what I'm doing. So that, yeah. I think I misspelled it, but that's okay. Okay, should be good then. Okay. Anything you want me to do? Let's see. Perhaps you could, well, if you can, if you could look into, why it is, like, why it freezes when you do, provide a syntax file that is like this. So I can actually put that in the chat. So you could use that exact one. It goes into .config/kano /c.syntax. Put that one. That exact stuff, and then see if you can get that to load, where it will load these original keywords that I have in here. It will copy, like basically I want to load that into this array. Yeah, just figure out why it doesn't load, why it freezes. If you could do that. If not, it's all good. I can look into it as well. Put that dir there. Put the config into here. Into .config/kano. How do I load? Then it just loads automatically if you open a C file. So if you run kano anything.c, it will load automatically. That's how it works. This has to be a .c file. Right, I'm going to add a command so that you can load specific files from in there, but I'm not done that yet. I have to expand on something first. But yeah, that is basically all there is. So, let's see. Okay, yeah, so I do have to go. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.